YouTube is Young Billionaire, and we back in front of the millions.
And in front of the millions.
Alright, YouTube, so take this off right quick. To really get your waves, you know what I'm saying, going on the sides and everything, you gotta really wolf. But it doesn't make sense to wolf if you're not brushing your hair the right way. Because I know a lot of you guys are seeing a lot of these wavers like switching their pattern and everything. Like you got some cats that's going from 720 to a beehive and everything, or from a beehive and getting a swirl and everything, or even moving a crown around and stuff like that. That right there, that's
Hey, there's a bull.
That's just some other stuff. To do it, I can't do it, you know what I mean? Like, that's why my left is struggling so much right now. That's why I tell people, when you're getting waves and you're trying to get 360s and you're trying to figure out your pattern, because that's going to be the hardest part, I think, is trying to figure out your pattern. So you see how my waves are like going horizontal that way? Put your brush like line it up exactly with how your waves are, and then when you get to the sides, same thing. Right here. Boom. I keep it horizontal right along the waves. And that tells me how I'm supposed to brush my hair. Like, you can probably see it a little bit better right here. Watch this. Try to get that angle for you. Like, I line it up right with my brush. So when we get here, you know, I try to use my sides. I try to keep it vertical, I guess, and just hit it like in a triangle. And then I just go right back to keeping it horizontal. Keeping it horizontal. And you want to move your head around, because like your sides, your crown and everything, it has to flow with the top. If you brush your hair that way, I promise you, you're gonna have a lot less forks, and you're gonna have a lot less
Boy, if you don't
trouble trying to wave up on your sides. Cause like I said, I know the waves is super tough to deal with, man, but if you do it that way, you're gonna have a lot less trouble. Another thing. Hold up. Another thing, when you guys are doing your brush sessions and you're trying to get your sides and everything, now your top is gonna wave up. Your top is gonna be the easiest spot to wave up. Your sides and everything, you can't brush it all like reckless. You gotta take your time. You know what I mean? Like you gotta take your time first. Like get used to it, build up some muscle memory, and then you can turn it up a little bit. Like I said, just keep your brush lined up with your waves, and that's how you start seeing the results on how to brush your sides. But yeah, so when getting your sides, the two things you need is you need to make sure you're brushing the right way. It has to flow with your top. Like your waves should go right into your top. See how my waves are going this way? I'm not gonna brush my sides downwards. Now, my waves, they slant this way. Boom, boom, right here on that, like right there, boom. They just slant, right? So that's the way I drag my brush. And then right here, for whatever reason, it swoops in a little bit. So I just give it a little swoop, you know, whoop. And that's it. That's how I brush my sides. So if you guys like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Hit me up on IG. I'll put my IG. I'm gonna try to get my IG somewhere on these videos, you know what I mean? Just give me some time. But make sure you guys are liking, make sure you guys are commenting, and make sure you guys are subscribing, all right?